Okay, so it is one day away from Stress to Success 7 coming up tomorrow, which is December 13th. It will be from 6:30 to 9 p.m. Make sure to check the Eventbrite link that will be below in this video. I really hope that everybody can make it out tomorrow. As most of you know from the ones that have been at the event, it's really jam-packed with information. It's not about selling anything. It's about making sure that people understand what their options are. And that's really, really important, because if you don't understand how to handle your student loans, if you don't know how to handle your credit card debt, if you don't know how to handle, buying a house properly or dealing with your taxes, those are the things that we like to talk about at our different events. As you probably saw from the flyer, I have a whole ton of great speakers that are going to be out, so it's going to be really exciting. So I just want you guys to definitely come out, enjoy it, bring a friend. You can pay at the door if need be, although it would be preferred if you click the link and buy a ticket now. That way I know how much wine to bring. So I really hope to see everybody there. This is the couple weeks left before the beginning of the new year, so it's really important that you get your stuff in order so that 2019 can be where you want it to be, traveling, spending more time with family, and paying off some old debt that have been kind of a burden on your back for a long time. So don't forget, tomorrow 6:30 to 9, see you there. Stress to Success 7. Bye.